first letter of your name. In this case, the A is for Art Attack. You can give your letter a personal touch, like these paint splashes, which are just like the Art Attack ones. To make your giant letter, you'll need some thick cardboard and 3 small cereal boxes about this size. This is a good way to start. Draw the letter A on your cardboard. It's good to make your letter as big and as bold as possible. To turn it into an Art Attack letter, draw an outline around it to make it into a really big letter. You can make it a bit different, like this one, with interesting angles and shapes. Once you've finished your design, get an adult to help you cut it out. Put the letter on another sheet of cardboard and outline the shape. Cut it out and you'll have 2 letter A shapes. Now it's time to create depth by joining up the 2 shapes. How, you may ask? Well, this is where your little cereal boxes come in. Place one of the cereal boxes on the bottom of the A, one on the side and one at the top. Fix them on securely with tape. Now take the other letter and tape it on top, making sure it matches the first one. You deserve an A for effort. Look at this. The letter can stand on its own. The difference between this letter and one that you might draw is that this one is 3-dimensional. It has depth, width, and height. Look at this drawing. It only has width and height, so it's 2-dimensional. The next job is to make the letter more solid by filling in the sides. For that, we'll cover it in newspaper and Art Attack paste, which is a combination of equal parts glue and water. And here's how to do it. Use large strips of newspaper to go from one side of the cardboard to the other like this. The strip should cover all the gaps completely like a bridge. Put one strip next to the other and do several layers until it's completely coated. You'll have to use quite a bit of paste. Once you've done several coats, let it dry. This might take a fair bit of time, but there is something you can do while you're waiting. On another piece of slightly thinner cardboard, draw these shapes. You might recognize them as the Art Attack splashes. You can make as many as you like, but we're going to have 3. Cut them out with adult help once you've finished drawing them. Very splashy. Now this is a really difficult decision. Where to put the Art Attack splashes? They'll really give the letter character, because paint splashes and Art Attack fit naturally together. Before you stick the splashes on, it's best to paint them first. Once they're pasted on, it'll be a lot harder. But first, let's work on the letter itself. This letter is going to be blue because it's such an Art Attack colour. Use a wide brush as there's so much to cover. A wide brush means you'll finish it much faster. When you're done, just let it dry. And now for the paint splashes. So how about yellow for this one? And what if we paint this other one pink? And the last one we'll paint green. Use crayons to add shading and highlight to give it that Art Attack touch. Then just apply glue to the back of each splash and place them wherever you like. Let's see. Here. Here. And the last one here. Top of the class. Looks great, doesn't it? To hang it up, attach a piece of string with tape and cover it with newspaper and Art Attack paste.